Samsung's next Galaxy Z Fold 8 just leaked, and at first glance, it sounds like Samsung is finally addressing one of the biggest complaints about the Fold series: a thinner body, lighter design, more polished hardware, basically everything foldable fans have been waiting for. But the deeper these leaks go, the more it feels like Samsung may have quietly compromised the one thing that truly separated the Galaxy Fold from every other foldable on the market. And honestly, that could matter a lot more than people think. According to a semi-retired leaker, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to be noticeably thinner and lighter than the Fold 7. On paper, that sounds like a huge upgrade, especially since foldables still feel bulky compared to regular flagship phones. But then came the detail that completely changed the conversation. The leaker claims Samsung's new hinge feels weaker, almost closer to the hinges found in Chinese foldables. At first, that might not sound like a big deal, but it's actually a major shift. For years, Samsung's hinge was one of the biggest reasons people trusted the Galaxy Fold lineup over competitors. Chinese foldables were always thinner and lighter, sure, but Samsung's hinge felt sturdier, more controlled, and far better optimized for flex mode. That balanced was Samsung's biggest advantage. So if the Fold 8 really moves toward a softer hinge design, Samsung may no longer be prioritizing that hold any angle flexibility that made the Fold experience stand out. Now, before anyone takes this leak as fact, there's still reason to stay skeptical, because the much thinner claim doesn't fully match earlier CAD renders. Another Korean source also suggested the Fold 8 will be lighter, but not dramatically thinner than the Fold 7. So right now, the thickness rumors are still questionable. But the hinge part, that's where things get interesting. Because if Samsung actually changes the hinge behavior, it could directly affect one of the Fold's biggest features, flex mode. That's the entire reason users can leave the Fold half open for video calls, media controls, hands-free viewing, multitasking, and content creation. If the hinge no longer holds angles the same way, Samsung wouldn't just be changing hardware, it could weaken one of the Fold's best software experiences too. Now, to be fair, Samsung may have a reason for making this change. The Fold 8 is heavily rumored to push toward a much less visible crease, potentially Samsung's closest attempt yet at a near creaseless foldable display. And historically, foldables chasing ultra-thin designs and minimal creases usually sacrifice some hinge resistance along the way. So this could simply be the trade-off Samsung decided to make. But then the leaks become even more interesting. For months, rumors claimed the S Pen to finally return to the Fold 8, but according to this same leaker, that apparently isn't happening. And honestly, that part actually makes sense. S Pen support requires a digitizer layer beneath the display, and that extra layer adds thickness. Reports suggest that's one of the reasons Samsung moved away from full S Pen support in the Fold 7's direction in the first place. So at this point, the missing S Pen no longer feels temporary. It's starting to look intentional. And suddenly, Samsung's bigger strategy starts becoming clearer. Because while the standard Fold 8 might skip the S Pen again, the Fold 8 Wide could become the true productivity-focused version of Samsung's foldable lineup. Based on the leaks so far, Samsung appears to be splitting the Fold series into two separate categories. The regular Fold 8 looks like the thinner, cleaner, more mainstream foldable. Meanwhile, the Fold 8 Wide seems designed more for productivity users, and possibly even as Samsung's direct answer to Apple's future foldable iPhone. And since the wide model is rumored to be slightly thicker, it could technically be the better candidate for bringing back S Pen support. Although, to be clear, nothing reliable has confirmed that yet. But if these leaks are accurate, Samsung may be changing the entire philosophy behind the Fold series, because the Fold series might no longer be about giving users everything in one device. Instead, Samsung could be separating thinness and portability from productivity and power user features. And honestly, that could reshape the future of the Fold series far more than people realize.